Naghanap ba kayo ng bagong hangout place sa Tarlac? Dito meron silang arcade, billiard, alfresco dining, IG-worthy corners at cozy na dining area. Tara na sa The Weekend Crew Bamban. Nag-offer sila dito ng mga burgers, chicken wings, munchies, salad, coffee, milkshake, and milk tea. Ito yung chill spot na made for the homies, kaya isama na ang buong barkada. Dito sabay-sabay kayong kakain, magkwentuhan, tawanan at gagawa ng bagong core memories. Must try yung kanilang mga burgers katulad ng The Brooks. Meron itong spicy Icori smoked sauce with caramelized onion, jalapeno, and a melted cheese on a brie bun. Kung cheese lover naman kayo, try nyo yung kanilang 4 cheeseburger. Sa chicken wings, must try yung kanilang honey sriracha, garlic parmesan, at yung kanilang Nagoya Tabasaki chicken wings. Ang sarap ng combination to. Sweet and salty ang lasa, tapos may Japanese spices na nagbibigay ng extra flavor. Meron din itong puri kake flakes on top. For the drinks, must try yung kanilang weekend coffee. Meron din silang choco almond at yung kanilang coffee jelly. Orderin nyo na din yung kanilang chicks on grass sa yung salad nila na pwede nyong pang side. Kaya kung naghanap kayo ng lugar for late night talks or gusto nyo lang mag-chill, ito yung perfect place para sa inyo. Open sila ng 5pm until 12 midnight every weekdays, then 5pm until 2am every weekends. Located pala ito sa Sitio Pandan, Barangay Anupol, Bamban, Tarlac, 2 minutes away from Kantong Pag-asa or Jollibee Bamban. For more info and updated prices, mag-direct PM kayo sa kanilang Facebook page, The Weekend Crew Bamban.